Hey everyone, Brian with Mortgage Atlanta, and I want to talk to you today about some issues that we see in our typical transactions. And these are just some tips that we have to avoid getting in a little bit of a pickle. And the first is when you're writing your contract, you don't want to put furniture or other things that are in the house that aren't attached to the house in the contract. So no furniture, nothing that's outside of the house. Appliances and stuff like that are perfectly fine. The wet bar in the corner is fine, but you don't want to have furniture and things that aren't attached. The other thing is you want to make sure that you have enough money for a down payment. You want to have the cash in your checking or savings account before you're closing. Some of these online banks don't let you send the money directly from your online bank to the law firm. You got to pass through your account first, and that can take some time, 3 to 5 days. So don't wait to the last minute to do that. And this is probably one of the biggest things we see today, not working with a real estate agent. We get contracts all the time where a buyer walked into a house, they talked to the listing agent, and they signed a contract. Those contracts come back to me and they're written so in favor of the listing side and not very many concessions to the buyer side. Let me give you an example. A couple days ago, I got a contract and it had an 8-day finance contingency. I got the contract 3 days in. That doesn't give us much time to get the mortgage done. So when you're looking to buy a house, you want to make sure the first thing you do is get a good buyer's agent. And those are my tips. Thanks, Brian with Mortgage Atlanta.